Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're just like, hey, batumba mudimu. Pakela yana. Yes, guys. Oof. Like, I need to open my throat. Throats are open. It's the weekend. So how about, man, mimosa man, to pair it with this lovely, decadent breakfast. Woo! I'm definitely eating with my eyes. Ooh. Let's do this. Ooh. Yes. That is how you're supposed to open MCC. Let us make ourselves some mimosas. Ooh! I prefer mine to have more alcohol and less of the orange juice. Some orange juice. Ooh, woo! Ooh! Before I get all nice and woozy, let's step into the kitchen so I can show you how I made this. So, on the table, I know it's messy, but yeah, we have some bacon, garlic bread, some butter, cheese grillers, made some meatballs during the week. So like, I'm gonna use that gravy or something yana. Baked beans in hot chakalaka sauce. Woo, guys, yesterday was one of those nights and so woo, asi groovy. We need something that is actually going to, you know, help us kickstart the day. We have some mushrooms. I'm gonna saute them, and then some brown vinegar because I'm gonna be making some poached eggs. Okay. I am going to start with my poached eggs. So I'm gonna pour all that water that's in the kettle into this pot. Gonna turn it on, let it boil, and then get lots of vinegar. I have brown vinegar. I would prefer white so that, you know, your eggs don't go brown. But yeah, I don't know how to make poached eggs without the vinegar. I have never done it. There are people who can do it. I'm just not one of those. Whew, just realized something. I'm gonna need more water. I think I'm gonna add like 2 full kettles because when making poached eggs, it's dependent on the pot that you're using. And I just realized that this pot is actually big. So I need more water. More water, honey. Yeah, so when you're also making poached eggs, just make sure that, you know, your water is like, it's there. You like, I don't know, shallow frying or something. No, you need water in that pot. And make sure you use a big pot because you're gonna start with a swirl, you know, so you don't want water splattering. I'll show you. I got you. Awesome, my water is now boiling. I'm going to add about 20 milliliters of the vinegar into the water, and I'm gonna start like, I'm gonna break my eggs one by one. One by one. Break my eggs one by one, put them in this ramekin, and then I'm gonna make a swirl and then throw the eggs in the nje one by one. You'll see what's gonna happen. Yeah. Open your eyes, let me show you how to make poached eggs. Cool. Maybe. Okay. The minute an egg breaks, you cannot use it for your poached eggs because, yeah, I'll have to. Poached eggs time. Gonna break these eggs. Just put it in a ramekin. Oh, you have to be careful, Ned. Be very gentle because we don't want the yolk to crack or anything. I don't know what happens and I don't want to know what happens. I am going to make a swirl and then I'm just going to throw my eggs up in there. So I have to be quick. Yeah. Awesome. Go! On your marks, get set, go. Let's add another one quickly while I still have a swirl. Why do I feel like you cracked? Did you crack? No, you didn't. I need to move this one. You know what? Let me try something. I'm gonna try making a little swirl on the side. Eee, nope, I'm breaking the other egg. Need to move it. make another swirl. You see there's like a little swirl there. Hey, don't go there. And then I'm gonna add this one quickly. Hey, yeah. While my eggs are poaching, I'm going to get to the other situations so that when that is done, this is also done. The bacon and the bread are done. I turned off the oven, so now I can get to this and do it simultaneously. I have turned on the stove, so both these pots are like hot. I actually need to turn it down, or else gonna add some knobs of butter now. The bigger one for the mushrooms. The smaller one for the whole gravy situation. Ooh. Gonna add my mushrooms because I can see that the pot was super hot. Yeah, we're starting to turn brown. I didn't chop them up because I'm just like, hey, it's fine, man. You know, they're gonna shrink a little. So, yeah, I'm just gonna wait for them to shrink just kangani, and then I'm gonna start adding my seasoning. Then in here, is it hot? Woo, yeah, cheese! Gonna grab a pair of mittens so I can just do the same. Ooh, it's also starting to burn. Gonna add my onions first. Okay, so I turned this down. So this, I'm just gonna sweat them just a little. Then I'm gonna add my seasoning. And then I'm gonna add the chopped up cheese grillers. Then the can of baked beans, honey. I got beans. I'm gonna add some veggie spice. This is Robertson's, ne? Ooh, should I add it in there as well? No, then I'm just gonna add some black pepper and squeeze some lemon. Let's add more veggie spice in here. Yeah, that's sweating. Because it's getting hot in here. Ooh, I need more butter. More butter. More. I just might need more than that as well. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let me add some salt and pepper. Where's the salt? Salt. Where's the pepper? Pepper. Oh, actually, let us add some bright spice. Let's see how it tastes with some bright spice. So this bright spice has salt, pepper, some herbs. So they use like all the peppers, like, you know, the red peppercorns, black peppercorns, all of it. Yeah. Yep. Just gonna grill them. Just going to and then I'm gonna add gravy earlier the other day when we had meatballs. And then I'm gonna pour in my baked beans, and then this is literally gonna go off and I'll be done. Maybe just a little bit of salt and pepper, you know, for seasoning, just to taste. Gonna take out my eggs before they are like well done. Okay, so I'm going to add the gravy up in there. And then, yeah, just stir it up. So this gravy has like some chilliness to it. And then little hot chakalaka bean situation, it'll hota. It is zaza. If a man swing man. Woo! Yo! Groovy guys. This is it. You wake up in the morning craving something hot. Honey, you can make it. I'm here to help you. Okay, I'm also gonna add my beans and same time. Yeah, can go. This actually reminds me of the shakshuka I made. Oh my gosh. If you haven't seen my shakshuka video, yeah, go back, check it out. Yeah. Ooh. This is practically done. I'm gonna turn off my stove and go back to these mushrooms because I need to do something about this. Yeah, you know, yeah, I don't want you to be watching my videos on some, oh, I can do better. There is someone out there who can do better mushrooms, you know, than me. Yeah, Just give me a tip. I'm open to tips, guys. I'm very open to tips. Yeah. I'm used to making like creamy mushrooms, but I forgot to buy cream. So I'm trying to use whatever that I have here in this kitchen. I am going to, give these mushrooms a piece of me. Because they thought they can bring me down. No, honey, they won't. I'm going to add some ground coriander. Some ground coriander up in there. Don't tell we're out of black pepper. Don't tell me we're out of black pepper. That's impossible. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I need nah. We're out of black pepper. It's fine. It's not a train smash. I guess we'll just have to add the veggie spice as well in here. Just stir that up. Let me add more butter. Someone is probably gonna be watching this and be on some, you've been eating butter. Yes, I'm trying to fix my mistakes. Yeah, like I need you guys to understand that everything that I cook with you guys, I literally want to give you an experience. I don't want to cook a day before, keep learning, you know. I need to give you guys the real feel of how it is in my kitchen. You know, mistakes are made, you fix them up, and if you can't fix it up, just make sure that the people who are eating your food have medical aid, ne? So that if anything happens, Bitang ambulance, wee woo. Cool. Yeah, these are almost done. I am going to take out my eggs now because I want these to be like low-key soft to medium. So I'm gonna turn off my stove. Actually, let me just check them first. That's still very soft. You can see the yolk. It's still super soft. So I'm gonna put it back in. I want it like medium. These are now fine. Let me just get a lemon wedge and then just squiggle it over. Lemon and mushrooms, guys. Oh my gosh, I know. It is so good. So good. Trust me, you won't regret it. I can't even remember where I had this, but I was so impressed. Oh my word. Cool, my mushrooms are done. I'm gonna turn it off. Ooh, the aromas. Aye, man. Okay, I'm gonna take it off the heat. Leave it there. Check on my eggs. Hey. Yeah, they're there. It's now like medium. So I'm gonna turn off my stove. I am done cooking. It is now time to indulge. Oh! I cannot wait to eat this. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, because sharing is caring, right? And when you share, they must also subscribe, comment, like. I said like though. Yes! Thank you so much. Till the next video. Woo! Tlala iring mong waning.